In solving systems of equations using substitution, we have to take a couple of steps to reach the values of each variable. But first, when solving any systems of equations, we have to have at least two equations. So for example, for substitution, if I have two equations, x equals to 5 minus 2y and uh, 4y plus 3x is equal to 13. What I can do here is just directly substitute x, which is 5 minus 2x, into the second equation. So what will happen is 4y plus 3 times substitution of x, which is 5 minus 2y, is equal to 13. So here I can just do FOIL method on both and get 4y plus 15 minus 6y is equal to 13. Then I can put together the like terms, which is 6 minus 6y and 4y, which is minus 2y plus 15 equal to 13. Then I can do minus 15 on both sides, which will give me minus 2y is equal to minus 2. Then I can divide by minus 2 on both sides, which will give me y is equal to 1. Then I can plug in y to the equation. So for example, I will have the equation, I can plug it in and have 4 times 1 plus 3x is equal to 13, which is the same equation but with y plugged in, which will give me 4 plus 3x equals 13, which then I can just solve the equation normally by subtracting 4 on both sides, give me 3x equal to 9, where then I can divide by 3 on both sides, giving me the answer x is equal to 3. Now I found both variables, found their values, which is 3 and 1. Okay, but what if I didn't have x already isolated, or y already as a variable isolated? What do I do? How do I solve it? So for example, if I had the two equations, uh, 2x plus 5y is equal to 19, and x minus y equal to minus 4. What I can do here is just to isolate x. It would be easier to do in the second equation since I don't have to divide or multiply. I just have to add 2y on both sides, uh, which will give me x is equal to 2y minus 4. So just like we did in the previous equation, we will plug in this to the first equation. So I will have 2 times uh, 2y minus 4 plus 5y is equal to 19. And I'll do the FOIL to get 4y minus 8 uh, plus 5y is equal to 19. Then I can put like terms, which will give me 9y minus 8 is equal to 19. And I can do plus 8 on both sides, which will give me 9y is equal to 27. Then finally, I can divide by 9 on both sides, which will give me the answer y is equal to 3. Then to find x, I just have to plug in y, which would be x uh, plus, minus 2 times 3 equal to minus 4. So it should just be x minus 6 equal to minus 4, which would finally give me, when I can add 6 on both sides, giving me x equals 2. Now I have both answers, both values of both variables, which is x being 2 and y being 3. That's how to solve a system of equations using substitution.